Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best tools for splitting kindling that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Estwing 38 Oz double bit tool for splitting kindling. Next, Estwing double bit tool for splitting kindling, fab rather than a minimal and trendy too. It is kind of a workhorse in your family to meet the necessity of regular chopping. How? Whether it has 2 blades on one head, as well we call it a double bit axe. It is versatile like its fab, though it used to apply in such applications like shaping woods, chopping firewoods, cutting lumbers, and in the woodsman sports. Estwing 38 is available in the market in 3 models. 1. The most perfect belt sheath wrapped on the head with black. Another 2 designs are available in simple blue and black colors. The best compatible factors are all these are lightweight and include shock absorption grip while working outdoor. The forged steel construction enables it to strike with huge forces. Does not consider whether it is small trees and branches or a big log. We have experienced such durability for longer. Want to enjoy splitting and kindling? Go ahead for it. Moving on, at number 4, we have the manual kindling cracker firewood splitter. Another top-rated, designed and easy to install as well useful firewood splitter from Kindling Cracker. Something more than that. Delivering great splitting force with less effort and chopping woods with a few strokes is not a big deal for it. So people may prefer using it for decades, like grandkids to pierce their kindling. This one provides total permanent wall mounting for better usage, instead of keeping it handy. Its streamlined 12 inches height Australian cast iron body ensures durability. Whether you place the piece of wood inside of the 6.5 diameter hole frame, or hit with more power. In general, it is quite maintenance-free, as its big bolt holes attach itself to your wall. Compared to a typical axe, it is less harmful, because its sharp blade drives itself wood down onto the hammer wedge. During operations, it adds no sharp objects around the workspace. Therefore, it is an exact tool for the backyard stack. For example, producing perfect kindling. Later convert itself to a pizza oven, fireplace, fire pit, barbecue, or smoker. At number 3, we have the Estwing E5 Split Wedge. Next is Split Wedge Curved Estwing E5, ensuring your hard job what it is for. In terms of size, one of the best hand-picked tools for splitting kindling. Its entire weighted wedge design makes your work easier. Its true one-piece forged steel constructed body gives plenty of strikes in a small package. Estwing started manufacturing striking tools like axes, specialty tools, hammers, split wedges, and more from 1923. Their standard crafted schemes for accomplishing such issues. But this split wedge tool is something more than that. We have considered only its steel made whole. But how about its double-sided split fins? Well, the inbuilt double fins permit allows more wedge action whenever you need both. Whether in most outdoor cases, similar to camping, hiking, hunting, and other outdoorsman tasks. Also, the sledge with the strongest construction lets you continue throughout the wood grain for sure splitting, unlike one-handed swinging boys. At number 2, we have the Sun Joe LJ10M hydraulic splitter. The next one is the Sun Joe series LJ10M. The awesome matter is, it is heavy enough to work itself up with thick logs, but you do not have to be more strong to operate. Just log on, log off, and then go ahead for splitting. Though Sun Joe manufactures all kinds of severe lawn and wood managing tools around your backyard or in your timber log, this one is a beast to let you do all such heavy-duty jobs. Even it embraces its inner parts to accomplish the lightweight of the piles of huge logs within a second. Season after season, its entire steel-crafted body creates durable and convenient power. As it starts up with a 2-speed pump, the harnessed power has enabled it to generate 10 tons of driving force. So have instant snapped wooden logs up to 18 inches long x 8 wide. Whether its rear 2.48 wheels make it easier than an axe. In case if you have ever used it for kindling type of maneuverability. And finally at number 1, we have the Redneck Convent manual tool for splitting kindling. The last manual tool for splitting kindling, manufactured from the well-established brand Redneck Convent. From its basic side, simply a 4-direction wedge including 4 diamond-shaped cross-sections at each angle. Means to split the weakened logs up to 4 directions in a time fraction. Only needs at least an 8-pound hammer to drive its railway steel shape into tough oak, walnut, hickory, and sycamore in 2 pieces. Though not preferred for large diameter hardwoods or the tightest knotty ones. Sounds easier than any traditional styled log splitters. It is much more amazing when you start to strike on its wide and flat head. Its 7 length x 3 width gets more splitting power from every spherical striking fraction. If you are worrying about accurate chops, the notches place the log rather than popping out when being split. Now, no more bouncing out. Always keep fretless to save your hands and back from the harder wood splitting log wedge. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.